I think you're coming from a great place. You just don't realize yet what the cost of suppressing your own wants and desires, how it manifests.
I just want to thank you so much for still being out here, man. Like,
Thank
for
you.
real, like, I mean, an hour ago, I was in my PJs, and I saw that Instagram post saying 9:30, Washington's Grove Park. I booked it over here, and thank you for still being out here.
Of course.
Like, I mean, obviously you do this all the time, but for us, it means a lot.
Thank you.
A little bit of a preface. So,
Thanks.
Jesus, man, talking to you is really stressful.
Don't worry, man.
I never thought this would happen. So I'm in a situation where my father is very successful. I have not accomplished shit yet.
Right.
You are, how can I say this? You're an incredibly wise human being. You've put out a multitude of content. I don't know how much wisdom can be packed into one human being, but I mean, you exist. And so because of that, you inspire me, and I'm at this age where 23, entering the best years of my life, correct?
Yeah.
I'm about to,
so.
hey, I'm very confused.
I'd give up everything to be 23.
Would you?
All of it.
To redo it?
100%. Time is the number one thing. Like more time, like 18 more years, 100%, all of it.
Really?
Yeah, 100%. Like that's like you guys should be real happy. I look at these young faces, I'm like, fuck.
Yeah.
So go ahead.
Oh, like I was saying, you know, there's just a lot of pressure to be great like him.
Yeah.
And I was just wondering, like, corporate finance, yes, I'm in it right now. I'm on the right path. Maybe
Does he want you to be a CFO?
That's exactly what he wants me to be.
Do you want to be a CFO?
Slightly. I want to be successful. I want to make him proud. He's done a lot for me. I can repay him by being successful. I also want to be an actor.
Have you ever told him any of your truths? Or do you appease what he wants for now?
A little bit of both. A little bit of both.
Look, I think, your dad loves you way more than he wants you to appease him. No matter what you believe. And I think the sooner you can have an honest conversation, like a real honest one, the sooner you could start doing, you may have a conversation with your dad this summer where you get really real off the momentum of this, and you may realize when you're done with it that, fuck, you actually want to be a CFO. The key is to just have the conversation.
Yeah. I mean, until then, I'll keep busting my ass. Hey,
yeah, but that's like you busting your ass is fine and dandy. If you actually, like, if this is the thing that you wanted to bring up, I'm telling you, as scary as it may be, the real truth conversation, is your mom around and involved?
Of course.
Does she know how you feel? Does she play the good cop kind of thing, or is she kind of like reinforced, like what?
They both want me to hit a target that's hittable. That's what they keep saying. Hit the target that's hittable.
Right.
Because the acting target, the Broadway, the Hollywood, there's a small targets to hit.
Let me give you a really, really, really good wisdom-based thing.
Please do.
You love your parents?
Absolutely.
I figured based on your vibe, if you don't do what you want to do, you're going to end up regretting it, which is then going to manifest at being mad at them, and you are doing a greater disservice to the relationship of you and your parents by not doing what you want to do than by doing what they want you to do. There's a seed of what you actually want to do. You're hiding that seed because you love your parents so much, right?
Yes, sir.
You're going to then do that, and then you're going to be 42 and not have the chance to do your thing, and you're going to be mad at them, and you're going to blame them for it, and then it's going to hurt your relationship, not help it.
Understood.
That's it. So
that's real.
It's really real, and it's like, it's the biggest advice I give to kids. I love my parents too, like fucking, I think you're coming from a great place. You just don't realize yet what the cost of suppressing your own wants and desires, how it manifests.
Okay.
And that's how it's going to manifest. So you got to give that thought.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Yes, sir. Hey,
My pleasure.
Hey, can I get a picture?